This vintage wedding dress was donated to me by a YouTube follower and also somebody that has purchased a vintage wedding dress from me through my Etsy for her wedding. But the dress she found at an estate sale and just didn't want to leave it behind. So she picked it up and sent it to me, and I think that's so sweet. It's an Eve of Milady brand, and it's in good condition except for that spot there and some general oxidation. It has a dry clean only tag on it, but as I often do, I'm going to ignore that. In this situation, I feel like soaking it will be just fine. So I wasn't planning on doing a full video on this, so I don't have as much of the detailed kind of video footage of what I did, but here are some of the processes that I did. Some vinegar with Dawn in hot water, put it face down, and poured that solution over the spot. And it did help, but not quite enough. So then I'm moving on to hydrogen peroxide, and I've just been using up this 12% jug that I bought. Sprayed it on the stain and covered it with baking soda and let it dry. And be sure to not let it dry in the sun. Let that dry and brush it off, and now we're good. So I am going to soak the entire dress, but before doing that, it has massive shoulder pads, which of course was what it was in the 1980s. So I did a sodium perborate soak, which is some actually leftover solution from a previous dress that was still viable. And so I did let that soak for a bit, rinsed it, air dried it, and now look at that stain is so much better. And the dress overall did brighten up well. It was originally an ivory shade, as it was meant to look antique. It's very unique. It's got like 1930s sort of styling for the skirt and more Victorian for the top, or Edwardian. But look at the detail. It's got those sort of, like I said, 1930s. It's got wonderful movement. It was a fun dress to wear. A satin underneath the lace. And I just think it's a neat. I did leave the shoulder pads out, but the new owner could put them back in, as I will include those with the dress. This dress could be fun for a destination wedding, as it doesn't really take up a lot of space. And it actually isn't too bad for wrinkling if you do have to put it in a suitcase. But it's got beautiful beading and pearl details with the sequins. And now it is clean and ready once again for another special day over 35 years later.